Hello friends, in this chapter, we are going to trace the following letters, I, J, K and L. Letter I, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter 1, 2, 3. Lowercase letter 1, 2. Letter J, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter 1. Lowercase letter 1, 2. Letter K, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter 1, 2, 3. Lowercase letter 1, 2, 3. Letter L, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter 1, 2. Lowercase letter 1. Good job! Today we traced the letters I, J, K, and L. If you want to be part of our community, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss my content.